If you have purchased the TransferRIP software, you will receive a DVD with a dongle USB stick, instructional manual and color profiles, as well as your update plan code. Insert the CD into your computer CD-ROM drive. Start by turning off any antivirus software which you may have running, and make sure that all other programs are closed. Then, insert the dongle into a free USB port and open the installation CD. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the instructional manual on the DVD, or you can find it on our website. Begin the installation process by right-clicking on the TransferRIP installation file and install as administrator. If you do not have the necessary rights on your computer, please contact your administrator for assistance. If you are installing the demo version of the TransferRIP software, simply install the TransferRIP without the dongle USB stick. The welcome window displays which version of the TransferRIP you are installing. Click Next to continue. The next window to appear is the license agreement. After reading through the agreement, click Agree to start the installation process. You can download a 14-day free trial of TransferRIP software. Visit our whiteownertransfer.com website for more information. A free 6-month update plan is available with each new purchase of the TransferRIP. Thereafter, customers can purchase 12-month update plan extensions. It is good practice to check for updates once a month. The 12-month update plan extensions can be purchased anytime, so if you have an older version of the TransferRIP and your update plan is expired, you can purchase a new update plan and begin installing the latest TransferRIP software with all the new tools and features. Start the TransferRIP automatically by activating the box and clicking Complete.